Hey guys, in this video I wanted to do a case study on market manipulation. Remember my video about gold and how to trade gold market manipulations? Well, that principle applies not only to gold but actually any other market as well. The date today is, 26th of November, and it's the last Friday of the month. And I would like to have you guys understand that for cryptocurrency, a sell-off happens on the last few days of the month. The last Thursday, Friday is typical. This week was a little bit interesting because if you look at, let's say, the Binance, it actually pumped pretty hard yesterday, all the way up to a 658. And today there is there is this happening. But we can see this happening much more pronounced on the Solana USD. So I will show you that happening right here. A recap of what I've been mentioning previously is that market manipulation can be identified when a movement that typically takes a long time happens within a short time. As you can see, like if we put it on a 4 hours chart, it shows this behavior, that especially the one we see now, is much stronger than the recent one as well. And the candle, when you look at extremely long candles, that's when you can look at very strong subsequent action. What does market manipulation happen, especially at the end of the month? And the reason for that, for cryptocurrency, in this instance, it's being led by Bitcoin. And it's always the case, when people in the market just have to make the short trades happen. Imagine if people are net short on the futures, they just have to push down the price significantly. But of course, as soon as that happens, there will be bargain hunting as well. So it's actually a very complementary behavior between market manipulation, when people are trying to win a option that's expiring soon, a short option, and at the same time, there are people waiting to buy. So if they can also see this action happening, it makes a lot of sense to help to push the price in one way so they can help to get in at a better price. I want to bring this back to currency as well. The pound USD has been falling for the past few days, the whole week in fact. But I am extremely sure that over the next week, we will see significant retrace. So this is always the way it works. And I have noticed that when we see, a lot of sell-offs, especially at the end of the week. Now look at this, this was just at the beginning. If you notice the strong bearish candle in the cryptocurrencies earlier, we also noticed this same thing did happen on the pound USD. And this was days ago. And it's always a trend that it happens on Fridays, and the subsequent week will be extremely bullish. Previously, we had strong selling action on the GBP USD, and the following week, it made significant recovery. So we're looking at such an opportunity again, and this is taking root. For those of you who want to learn more about how to trade this kind of manipulation, look at my other video about how to trade gold and how to trade gold price manipulations. So this video, I done it here pretty much to give you like a case study, and just notice how the divergence is building up very, very strongly over here. And I hope this video helps you out in finding better opportunities. Like most people, I'm guilty of being a tradeaholic. When sitting on the sidelines for a long period of time, but repeatedly checking back. And here's one thing I wish to share. Anything that you wish to improve, spend time to make constant observations. If it's your weight, weigh yourself on a daily basis. Weigh yourself morning and night. Understand more about when your weight goes up and go down. And by being conscious of your weight, you would be more likely to eat and exercise in a way that serves your goal. And the same is true of finance and trading as well. Be conscious of your trading account. Be conscious of your overall asset. Whatever you wish to improve, take note of it on a daily basis, and then it will improve. And just by sitting on the sidelines, watching the price action, I've noticed so many things. And I noticed it's almost like clockwork. When we see strong sell-offs on a Thursday and a Friday, the next week is going to be green. This is my tip for you today. Do check out my other video about trading gold price manipulation as well to learn more about this concept, and I hope this makes you good money. In the upcoming video, I'm also going to be sharing about Bitcoin vending online. If any of you has interest in Bitcoin vending, do drop a comment beneath the video. If you have some questions about Bitcoin vending as well and things that you'd like me to cover, do comment them down in this video so that when I produce it, I can cover everything you want to know. As you guys know, I have not been on this channel for quite some time, and just as a present for all the people who have been active in my community in the past, I will be extending all these trainings for Bitcoin vending for all my past community members as well. Thanks for watching, and do also click subscribe if you have not already subscribed, the like button and the bell notifications icon. Thanks for watching.